Are you looking for ways to charge more for your candles? Need to stand out from the crowd in a saturated market? Wondering what a luxury candle is? This video is for you. Everyone's using labels, but not us. I'm Kimberly Patterson, and I teach candle makers how to sublimate and engrave candles that stand out and sell. Let's get started. We're making this order today, and like all of my orders, it's a highly personalized candle. This one features two-sided sublimation, an engraved personal message on the wood lid, and a custom gift message. Our customer paid $49.10 including shipping, so let's make it together. We start with our design mirrored and printed out for two sides. This has also been through the printer twice for double ink to make it vibrant. Next, we cut close to the design, which makes it easier to tape to our vessel. If you need a list of sublimation supplies, I will link this video in comments. We are using a 14-ounce matte candle vessel and taping our design using heat-resistant tape. We tape all around the design using pressure to make sure there is no air between the design and the vessel. We tape around the vessel lip to keep shrink wrap from sticking to it. Next, we cut a shrink wrap made for tumblers in two and cut again to create a rectangle. We wrap our vessel in shrink wrap, tape up the seam, and use a heat gun. Now we are ready for our sublimation oven. We are using a PYD Life sublimation oven. Preheat your oven to 390 degrees and bake for 6 minutes. Our oven will automatically turn off at the end of 6 minutes. Great to not have to babysit your projects. Let your vessel cool for 30 minutes and cool to the touch before you unwrap. If you want to see a slowed-down version of taping and shrink wrapping, check out Episode 1 or Episode 2 for the full sublimation process in real time. This is our original design. Let's unwrap it and see how it looks. It turned out crisp with no ghosting. An extra reminder to print twice on sublimation paper for a vibrant result. This turned out really nice and exactly like the Canva artwork. Yikes, I didn't turn on the camera during our wicking process, so we will move straight to pouring and curing. I do use a wick centering tool every single time because my customer deserves a perfectly centered candle every time. No eyeballing or guessing. We will let this candle sit overnight, then wrap it for shipping. Our cocoa apricot wax cures in 72 hours, but we can ship in 24. We did turn on the camera for the engraving process. It's quick and easy. Our client chose their font, and we used 30 power and 30 depth to engrave on this maple wood lid. We brand the inside of our lid with the required candle info for a beautiful branded candle. Our candle has cured for 24 hours, and it's ready to ship. Feeling inspired? Subscribe and drop a comment. Tell us what you'd love to see next. Watch our videos to learn how to engrave and sublimate your own candles, and we'll see you next time on The Candle Artist Way.